take a picture of my outfit, so I was just like trying to, when they took a picture of my outfit, it did something. Hey, I'm at the Concept LA fashion show, and I just thought that I got a whole bunch of goodies that I actually didn't get, so this is the press badge that they gave us, and then I have a few things that I wanted to show you guys before it gets crazy. Oh, it's okay. Thank you. This is one of my favorite designers. I saw their website and I was just like, this is amazing. Great installation, like so good. And Ism, another one of my favorite designers I actually saw today on the website. I RSVP'd with him. This installation is sick. It's just absolutely incredible. Yeah, hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. Patient. Looking super good class. Felix, looking even fire. Michelle Wayne. She's great. Oh, we should take one together too after. This installation is just great. Would you like? So crazy.
So anyway.
It's actually recording, but just like if you could put our feet up. You want to take a picture? No, just like, I love your place.
You never know what's going to happen. I think next season.
Thank Okay, so these are the lines. I want to see more of the showrooms, but this is kind of what's going on out in the hallway in the installation If I just stick this in real quick with nothing. Oh no, I don't. Oh, okay. This is a very interesting little outfit. Chains. Remember I was saying earlier, chains are all over the season, so it's kind of nice. So now I'm going to go to the